Hey guys, HaxerTech here for another video, and this is going to be a short one. Today we're going to be talking about how you can remove the background from any image. So again, this is going to be a pretty short video, but basically I found an online site that allows you to, for free, easily remove the background from images. So I just wanted to demonstrate that and provide an easy way for people to be able to sort of edit images if you don't have a green screen. So you don't need a green screen for this. If you have a green screen, it does make it easier. But I found a lot of videos online about this and a few videos related to this particular website, but didn't really cover exactly what the capabilities were. So I was just going to go ahead and show the features here. The first thing on the online version is you can upload an image. Now you can also download this for your Windows or Mac device, but you can use the online version just as easily. So all I'm going to do here is just click on Upload Image, and then I'm going to navigate to where I have my picture. I'll go ahead and just double click that here. Alright, and so now what I can do here is I can go ahead and start working to remove the background. And the nice thing about this is it's super easy to do. All you have to do is use the green here to mark the areas that you want to essentially keep. That's going to be the main image that you're trying to put in front of a different background. So what I'll do here is I'll just go ahead and just kind of color some green into the main areas of the character here. Alright, and then once you've made just some general green lines, you can see you don't have to actually fill it in completely. This is just to kind of mark the areas that you want to keep. And then the red is really just to get rid of the background here. And you can see here it's not a completely clear background. There's a lot of content behind the character. So it's actually getting rid of everything here in the background. And you can see it's only taken me, what, a couple seconds. And I can go ahead and fill in his eyes here. And just like that, it's actually updating in real time. You can see that it's already pretty much removed the background. Now if I wanted to here, I can go ahead and put a little bit more green here to try and capture more of the detail there, but that's pretty good actually. Now what I would want to do is I can go ahead and click on this icon here to select my background. Now if I want to, I can choose a solid color background. And I can go ahead and choose what I want that solid color to look like. Click on OK. And you can see here now I have this new colored background that I can use. I can see the original, but I can also put an image here as well. So to use a different background here, all I have to do is select the image option and click on Select Image. And now I can choose the background that I want to use. And just like that, now I can go ahead and use this separate background here. So now what I can do is I can kind of just play around with the settings here for the foreground and play around with the size here of the main character. And so you can see that it's very easy to kind of put this image, whatever I'm trying to get, into a new background. It's very easy to place that over a brand new background. So you can use this with whatever you want. If you take pictures with your family and you want to remove the background and put yourself into a different location, you can do that. Again, the more kind of solid color the background is, or less noise in the background, less similar colors really just to what you're wearing or the main subject is wearing, is obviously going to make it a lot easier for this to work. And also, depending on the resolution of the photo, it'll work better or worse than other times. But if you have a really good contrast between the main subject and the background, you can see it's super easy to be able to remove the background. No green screen or anything like that, and you can use this for any pictures that you want. So again, this is just a quick video. Wanted to show you how to be able to easily remove the background from any image, even without a green screen. Hope this helps. I'll leave the link in the description. This is online.photoscissors.com, but I will link that in the description. Feel free to comment below, and hope you liked the video. That's it for this one, and I'll see you in the next one.